This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Tracy Ellerby. Coveted Muccllough Townhome with an extended driveway and a 2-car garage that has cabinets installed on both sides for extra storage. Kitchen is equipped with granite counters, stone subway tile backsplash, 2-tone soft close cabinets and pull-out drawers. The extended island is complete with USB outlets and bartop, perfect for entertaining. Master bath has fully tiled oversized shower equipped with rainfall shower head and overhead dimmable lighting for those days when you haven't quite woken up yet. Walk-in closets in every bedroom, and don't miss the custom closets installed in the master bedroom and nursery, perfect for all your storage needs. Renovated secondary bath with vanity to ceiling tiled backsplash, light switch dimmer and exhaust fan timer. Home pest defense pre-built into the walls. HOA responsible for front and rear yard. The Muccllough community has amazing amenities including 2 outdoor pools, one is new, clubhouse, children's pool, playground and dog park right at your fingertips. For more information,